Let's see how to add bank account in charts of accounts and reconcile bank accounts in ProfitBooks accounting software. Click on the Accounting option in the navigation bar. Expand the Accounting section and select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down menu. Click on the New Account button in the top right corner of the Chart of Accounts section. Enter the bank's account name in the Account Name field in the form. Now to select the account group, click on the drop-down menu. Select Bank Accounts from the Account Group drop-down menu. Enter the bank account number in the designated field. Enter all other bank details. Click the Save button to store the new account information. Now for reconciliation process, navigate to the Banking section from the sidebar menu to view the account details. Click on the Bank Reconciliation button in the navigation bar. Click on the Import New Statement button. Click on the Download Sample File link to download a template for the bank statement. Check how it works to view the instructions on bank reconciliation. This is sample of bank statement import. Now to download it in the spreadsheet application, click on the File menu to access file options. Select comma-separated values .csv from the Download menu to export the file in CSV format. Pick a date that falls before the transaction dates listed in the file you're about to upload. Select the statement date by clicking on the calendar icon and choosing the date from the drop-down calendar. Click on the drop-down menu to select the source bank format. Choose Other Banks, check Samples from the Source Bank Format drop-down. Access the drop-down menu to pick the target bank account, and from the list, choose the one you wish to reconcile. Click on the Choose File button to select a bank statement file for upload. Click on the Import button to start the import process. Click on the Date field to open the bank reconciliation. Click on the Find Match button to find a match for the transaction. As you can see, there is expense transaction details which was already recorded. Now click Know That Transaction in the Find Transaction pop-up and click Submit. Click the Submit button in the modal to confirm the transaction details. Notice that the transaction status is changed to Reconciled. Here is another example. Click on the Find Match button to search for transactions. Click on the Add Payment button to add a new payment transaction. I hope you got an idea on how bank reconciliation works in ProfitBooks. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubts, let us know. Have a great day.
Bye.